Hey there, dog parents. I'm Paola from Chewy, and I'm here with Purina 1 SmartBlend True Instinct Dog Food to make your pup's mealtime more delicious. This tasty kibble is high in protein with 30% crude protein. Meat is always the first ingredient from protein sources like turkey, chicken, salmon, or beef. Each dry food recipe is rich in omega fatty acids to help support your dog's healthy skin and coat. Choose from their original or grain-free kibble to suit your precious pup's needs. Purina 1 SmartBlend True Instinct offers wet food options that make for yummy, complete, and balanced meals. They can even be served as a tasty topper to complement your dog's kibble. So see the mixing instructions on the cans for more details. Purina 1 True Instinct Trios are delicious, protein-rich morsels that can be broken into multiple training rewards. So make the smart choice and get your paws on Purina 1 SmartBlend True Instinct. I'm Paola. Thanks for watching. Bye. This way, then that way. And hey, hey.